Bananas in pajamas are coming down the stairs. Bananas in pajamas are coming down in pairs. Bananas in pajamas are chasing teddy bears. 'Cause on Tuesdays they all try to catch them unawares.
One morning at Rat in a Hat's shop, Amy bought a new jumper.
Oh, I love my new fluffy red jumper, Rat.
And it's so you, Amy.
Look at that.
But they didn't notice Rat knock over a pot of pepper.
I'll take it.
Oh, excellent.
And, there you go, Rat.
Oh, thank you, Amy. Oh, lovely.
Oh, bye, Rat.
Oh, bye, Amy. Oh, Pepper. Oh, sneezy stuff.
Amy couldn't wait to show off her new jumper to everyone.
Bananas, look at my gorgeous new fluffy red jumper.
Bless you, B1. Oh, bless you, B2.
I have to show Morgan and Lulu my new jumper. Bye.
Why are we sneezing? Why are we sneezing, B2? Could it have been Amy making us sneeze? There.
Lulu, Morgan, how much do you love my new red jumper?
Oh, Amy! That was the biggest house of cards we ever built!
Well, I'm sorry, Lulu, but it's not really my fault. If you...
But we weren't sneezing till you came in, Amy.
How could it possibly be me making everybody sneeze? That's ridiculous. Oh, no, not you too, Tolstoy. Oh, it must be
Ooh, someone's left their jumper, B1. Achoo! This jumper's making us sneeze, B2. Achoo! That's Amy's jumper. But no Amy inside it, B2. So it wasn't Amy making us sneeze. It must have been Amy's sneezy jumper.
Rat was still busy sweeping up the pepper he'd spilt earlier that day.
Rat! We've come to return this jumper that Amy bought.
Oh.
It's a very sneezy jumper. Oh, very, very sneezy jumper, B2.
Oh, the jumper isn't the problem. Well, I spilled pepper on everything.
Amy really loves this fluffy red jumper, B2. Are you thinking what I'm thinking, B1? I think I am, B2. It's washing time.
That afternoon, the bananas had a surprise for Amy.
So you see, Amy, Rat spilled pepper on your new jumper, and that's what made us sneeze.
Oh, I'm so glad it's not me that made all my friends sneeze, Bananas.
Ta-da!
Oh, my lovely fluffy red jumper. Oh, but,
Don't worry, Amy. We washed all the pepper out. So it's not the tiniest bit sneezy anymore.
Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Bananas.
Oh dear. Maybe it is a sneezy jumper, Amy.
Oh, don't worry. I've just been moping around all afternoon without my jumper on, and I've got a cold. Ta-da!
Amy showed off her new jumper again, and this time no one sneezed.
amazing.